What is up, guys? Eric from Sonic. Today we have here a Chevy Silverado, and what we're going to be doing is upgrading our sound system with our plug-and-play power amplifier. So a quick question for you Silverado owners, you guys have one of these trucks, you bought it, you're excited about the truck, it gives everything you ever asked for, but it's like you turn on your music and it's just lacking in sound audio quality. A very easy solution comes with a plug-and-play harness with a very small form factor amplifier, which is easily mounted to the side of your radio under your glove box. I'll show you exactly how to do so. And on top of that, I mean, it's just a very easy way to transform your car audio system. So we made a similar video for this exact same vehicle with the smaller screen. This one has a larger screen. Installation is totally exactly the same. The only difference is the part number of the harness or the part number of the product. It comes with different harness because the key marks are different on the connector. That's about it, but both very easy to install and you'll be able to upgrade your sound system in no time. So let me show you how easy it is. All right, now we are in the vehicle. The first thing we want to do is unplug the factory radio connector. It's gonna be all the way up here. This area should be open. You shouldn't have any undercover. If you do, remove it. Look up here, you'll find these connectors that look like this. One is gray, one is black. It's squared in shape and it's just right up there. We're gonna unplug it and we're going to replug it into here. The factory one goes to here and these connect to the original location. So basically daisy chaining it. So let me go inside there and pull it out. All right, so here it is. These two are the connectors. And then there's a little tab on the bottom. It's clear, it's very small. And you don't have to pull it down to release it like that. So I released one, release the other one. And then press down on the release right behind it and just pull out like so. So if you want, let's see what I just did right now. This is the release right here. You just pull it down. You could use your fingernail or you could use a little panel removal tool, pull it, and then push down on this release and then pull out. The same for this gray plug. So once that is out, grab a hold of our harness, go ahead and just connect it in here. It'll only go one way, so there's no way for you to mix it up when you're connecting these. And then let's lock them in place. Go to the other side here. All right, and we're gonna plug this into its original location. Black one is towards me, towards the back, so me, and then the gray one is towards the front of the car. And just make sure you orient the connector correctly. The part where the release tab is facing outside of the car. Just like that. All right, and this other side of the connector connects into the amplifier. It only goes one way, and there's only one connector of each, just like that. And after you connect everything, go ahead and set your gains to your appropriate level. We tried out many different settings, and for this Silverado with the larger screen, it actually could handle 100% gain. So we turned it up all the way in the rear and the front, and default is going to be around 50% around here, and we just turned it all the way up. And if you want, you could go ahead and adjust accordingly. And in the future, if you ever want to add subwoofers to this, very easy to do. All you have to do is connect these output RCA to your new power subwoofer. If it's just only a subwoofer without an amp, you do have to get a separate amplifier dedicated for the subwoofer and then a sub. That's basically, it'll be subwoofer connected to an amplifier for the sub, and the amplifier will connect to our amplifier like so. Or to make it easy, you could just get a power subwoofer, one of those thin small ones like a 10-inch, and just place it right under the passenger seat and connect it here. And on our production model, you also have a remote wire coming out here, which you can connect to the new power subwoofer for power. And then for battery power, you will have to go through the firewall and connect it directly to the car's battery. So makes the addition of another subwoofer super easy if you have our Encore Alpha 3 Series kit. So once that's all done, we already went ahead and applied a Velcro tape down here. Go ahead and do so. And we are going to just attach it to the back side of the car. All right, and we're gonna just place this amplifier back here with the Velcro tape, and it should stay in place. And we have some extra wires here. You can just tuck it behind the carpet like so. Okay. And if you have some extra wiring, you can also just tuck it up here and alongside behind the kick panel. All right, there it is. I mean, the installation can't get any easier than that. The only tools you need, basically your hands. You don't need a panel removal tool. You don't need anything other than just our product in your hands, and you'll be able to upgrade your sound system in literally minutes. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We are also going to include a before and after clip to show you the audio, how it sounded before the amplifier and after the amplifiers. So go ahead and keep on watching this video to see the comparison. Hopefully you guys could hear it. A lot of times the audio does get processed through the microphone, but we'll try the best we can so that you guys will be able to fully understand the difference it makes in your car audio system. All right, guys, well, that concludes our video today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or shoot us an email, info@bsonicusa.com. This product is brand new. The harness is currently being made, so it's gonna be a little bit more time until it releases. But if you wanna be on the wait list, go ahead and shoot us an email so you'll be one of the first ones to be notified once the product is out. Once again, guys, thank you very much. Help our channel, give us that like, and also hit that subscribe button for more awesome content in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.